Dogecoin is going crazy, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today, we're going to look at Dogecoin. It's been a while since I've talked about Dogecoin. In that video, Dogecoin was trading in the 5-cent range. I remember it was the end of February, early March, and now we've seen it reach an all-time high of 69 cents. All right, guys, if you're looking for a new broker, if you like free money, you want some free stocks, sign up for Webull. All you got to do is deposit $100 into the account and they will give you 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. Sign up, guys. Link is in the description below. Now, there's a lot of hype around this coin, especially since Elon Musk is going to be hosting Saturday Night Live this upcoming Saturday, May 9th. And everybody believes he's going to mention Dogecoin, which could literally send the price to the moon, going to that $1 that everybody's been talking about for the last few months. However, many people think it's going to be like a pump and dump, so much hype, so much pumping up, getting Dogecoin ready, and then on Saturday Night Live, if it does get mentioned, it's just going to dump. But we've seen it before on 420 on Doge Day. There was so much hype about Doge Day, but then at the end of the day, it didn't work out as planned. So we'll see what happens on Saturday, guys. The way it's going, it's really quite possible that it could hit $1 before Saturday Night Live. The amount of attention and publicity and promotion that Dogecoin is getting lately is insane. You know, we had Mark Cuban on The Ellen Show promoting Dogecoin, talking about it, and that brought a lot of hype. So now let's take a quick look at the charts and see what's going on with Dogecoin. The last few days have been explosive. Now look at how it's increasing here. But then yesterday we had a huge dump for a quick second. And then it picked up right away. And now you can see we're hitting on that 59, 60 cent range and just consolidating in that area, just bouncing around. So, you know, right now at the time of this recording in that 60 cent range, Dogecoin is still currently up about 1% on the 24-hour. Many people pumping it for 70 cents today. Now, there's a lot of people claiming that KFC in Canada is accepting Dogecoin, Kentucky Fried Chicken. However, that is not true, guys. Basically, how that came about is that KFC tweeted free delivery over $35, and then somebody retweeted saying, hey, do you accept Dogecoin? Can I buy it with Dogecoin, please? And KFC responded saying, we accept cash, card, and Dogecoin. However, it's now been clarified by KFC Canada saying, sorry guys, we got a little excited there. We don't actually accept Dogecoin, but it's on our bucket list. And you even had Meek Mill, the rapper, come out and spend $50,000 on Dogecoin the other day, saying he's sick and tired of being left out and missing out on these opportunities. The volume is strong, the endorsement, and there's more and more celebrities coming out promoting this, which is causing so much hype, and the FOMO's getting to everybody, that fear of missing out, as I did with Meek Mill. And now he's made a huge profit off his initial investment of $50,000. Now here's a very interesting article on CNBC. It said if you bought Dogecoin at the beginning of the year, so on January 1st, when the price was less than a cent, obviously I believe the first day of trading was January 4th, so it was less than a cent at the time, you would have, and you purchased $1,000 worth, you would have over $120,000 if you got out of that high at 69 cents. Like, that's incredible. $1,000 to $120,000 in under 5 months. Like, that's incredible gains, guys. But you got to remember that with this massive gains, you know, there could be a crash. It could come down. Now, that's a gain of over 12,000%. That's insane, guys. Now, since day one, because this was a meme coin, it was set out as a joke, there's always been a lot of criticism and a lot of negativity. People just thinking that it's going nowhere because it doesn't really have a purpose, which is definitely something we got to think of, right? Because there could be a new coin next week, because there's a new coin literally every day, and Elon Musk could jump on that bandwagon, or other celebrities as well, and it could just cause a big confusion in the market of which coin to buy, or it could be a lot of competition. And it's already confusing enough because there's literally over 1,000 coins out. Now, many people don't actually understand the difference between the respective price increases of Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Like, Bitcoin has economic incentives built in for miners to continue to create new Bitcoin, and of course the max supply will only reach 21 million. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever be able to exist. And Dogecoin doesn't have that type of infrastructure, but it is fueled by excitement, hype, celebrities. But you know what? We are starting to have Dogecoin accepted at many places with the Mavericks. There is a car dealership in Florida that I heard about, and many other places when you start to look online. We got another article to take a look at here. So it says, only whales move Doge. Data suggests major Dogecoin wealth gap. So when we look at this, it says, consider the dollar value of coins sent across the Dogecoin blockchain on Tuesday. They exceeded $58 billion, and that figure was 70% higher than the amount transferred on Bitcoin, which was $34 billion, and 260% higher than Ethereum, which was $16 billion. So now this part of the article is very interesting. It says the average Doge transaction value stood at $800,000 compared to $420,000 on Bitcoin. its statistics relative to Ethereum paint an even more dire picture. Dogecoin's average transaction value exceeded Ethereum's by 8,000% despite processing only 5% of the number of transactions. So $800,000 transaction worth of Dogecoin. Now obviously this isn't a small time player. It's not a retail investor like you or myself. That's way too big of an amount. So we're talking about big whales. Big whales are coming in and making these huge transactions. Now this next part is really interesting, combined with the long-standing reality that one single address holds 28% of all coins in existence, while just 12 account for 67%. It becomes clear that Dogecoin isn't exactly the people's champion that interested parties would have the public believe. A very important factor to consider is that Dogecoin's GitHub repository hasn't been touched since 2017. This article is extremely eye-opening, guys, and I really hope and suggest you read it, especially if you're interested in Dogecoin or if you hold Dogecoin. I'll have the link in the description below. So obviously, guys, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly for entertainment. So whether you choose to invest in Dogecoin or not, just be careful. You know, we have this big catalyst with Elon Musk being on Saturday Night Live, so the price could go either way. You know, both sides, there's bulls, there's bears, there's people saying it's going to go well over $1, and there's people thinking it's going to go below 50 cents. I feel if he does mention it, it will go above $1. I just believe so many people watching it are going to feel the hype and just start, you know, downloading crypto apps like Binance and just start purchasing Dogecoin as fast as possible. Either way, do your own due diligence, and good luck, everybody. Guys, let me know what you're holding. If you're holding Dogecoin, if you plan on purchasing any, are you going to buy it before SNL? Are you going to wait to see if it's a pump or if it's a dump? What are you guys going to do? Let me know in the comments down below. If there's any other cryptos or stocks or even penny stocks that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments down below. Message me on Instagram. And don't forget, if you like free money, sign up for Webull. Link in the description below and you get your 2 free stocks. As always, everybody, happy trading, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.